Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need Paint 3D ready. Once done, open it and choose New to begin. Make sure your Windows 10 build supports Paint 3D and the Store app is updated because features vary by build. Start with a measured canvas size so scale stays consistent later. Pick pixels or millimeters depending on final use. Create a base layer or background first. This establishes orientation and saves time. Now add a simple 3D shape to practice transforms before importing complex models. Once your base exists, import or create geometry and refine it. Use Insert to add GLB, FBX, or 3MF models, or start with built-in 3D shapes to block out form. This keeps topology simple. Apply Magic Select to isolate parts of an image, then convert to 3D. Use brushes and stickers for texture and color. Use Edit Details to smooth or resize. When transforming, use the numeric fields for exact rotations and scale, because precise measurements prevent misalignment later. To finish, save a working P3D file so you can reopen layers and edits. Export as 3MF or FBX for 3D printing or external editors. Export PNG or JPEG for 2D previews. Before export, make sure the model origin, scale, and face normals are correct. Incorrect normals or non-manifold geometry will cause prints or imports to fail. If you hit errors, simplify the mesh, remove duplicate vertices, or retry after restarting Paint 3D. Often the simplest fix resolves transient export bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.